The Delhi NCR region has turned into a toxic hell for citizens. Air quality index in the national capital is in severe category, and as it dips further, citizens struggle to breathe. There are visuals also coming in of devotees who were seen taking holy dip in Yamuna, where the water has turned toxic due to high ammonia levels. Let's first play out some ground reports.
It's a double whammy that is being faced by the citizens in the national capital. The pollution in the air was not enough that we are now seeing pollution in the water as well. Behind me is Yamuna. You can see how there is foam that is developed at Yamuna, and there is in fact devotees who have come here to perform their rituals, perform the Chhat Puja over here, and they are forced to immerse themselves in this toxic water because they have been saying that there is no alternative location or any sort of solution that has in fact been given to them so that they can perform this ritual in clean water. They in fact have been saying that this is something that they have to do. This is a part of their ritual, and you can see how they are immersing themselves, continuing with their ritual in this toxic water. Let me speak to some of them. मैम, ये आपने आज यहाँ पे आपने यहाँ पे पूजा किया आज, इतना यहाँ पे आपको दिखा, गंदगी दिखा
है, लेकिन क्या कर सकते हैं, आज तो हमको नहाना ही था, लेकिन साफ पहले कर देना चाहिए सरकारों को कि साफ सुथरा कर दो। जनता के साल में होता ही है, साल में जनता सबको आता ही है, लेकिन करवा देना चाहिए उनको।
कितने साल से देख रही हैं आप ये पूरा फॉर्म भर जाता है? कितने साल से देख रहे हैं? 2-3 साल से?
पिछली 20 साल ऐसे था, इस बार भी ऐसे ही है।
अच्छा, आप लोग
नहीं, पिछले साल लॉकडाउन में कहाँ से आप आए? 2 साल से तो आए भी नहीं हम लोग।
इस बार आए तो आपको फिर भी लगा नहीं कि
सरकार तो साफ सुथरा थे, जब आए थे तब साफ सुथरा थे, अब इस बार नहीं है।
तो आपको लगता है कि सरकार को कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा
होना चाहिए, साफ सुथरा करवाना चाहिए, लाइट बिजली बिल्ला होना चाहिए, सब चीज भी। कहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हुए। कल के बाद परसों हम लोग छठ पूजा आएंगे यहाँ पे करने, तो कुछ भी नहीं, कहाँ है, गंदा ही है। अब क्या करोगे?
कितना जरूरी है आप लोगों को ये वाला?
इतने साफ पानी होना चाहिए, थोड़ा गंदे पानी में नहा लिए हम लोग, अब क्या करोगे? नहाना तो पड़ेंगे, हमें नहाना जरूरी बनते हैं आज के दिन। हाँ, आज और कल के बाद परसों, फिर नरसों भी हम लोग यहीं पे आएंगे। हाँ,
तो आपको भी लगता है कि सरकार को कुछ ना कुछ तो थोड़ा एक ऑल्टरनेटिव सोल्यूशन
ना, साफ होना चाहिए, तभी तो होगा, कैसे होगा?
लेकिन आपने भी यहाँ पे
हाँ, पूजा करते हैं, सब दिन होते हैं यही में, जैसा पानी रहे यही करते हैं।
लेकिन ये जरूरी है,
हम लोग को यही जरूरी है।
आप क्या कहेंगे कि कुछ ना कुछ कोई एक समाधान लाना चाहिए?
ये लोग हम लोग के बड़ा त्योहार है, यहाँ आना जरूरी होता है, छठ पूजा है।
Let's go across to Kangna, who's joining us, in fact, live from the spot from where we played out this report sent by Sharon. Kangna, the devotees were forced to take a dip in Yamuna, where we saw toxic foam floating. It is due to the high levels of ammonia. No alternate arrangements have been made. Permission was given to celebrate Chhat, but how will people do that if there's no arrangement for them?
Well, Swati, Chhat Puja is a 4-day festival that takes place, and 10th November has been declared as a public holiday by the Delhi government to celebrate Chhat Puja. Now, if Chhat Puja has to be celebrated, it will be celebrated in this toxic foam because there is no other alternative for the devotees to celebrate it. They have to take a holy dip in this toxic foam, where we have been talking about for the last 5 or 6 days since the onset of winter season and Diwali that air pollution was causing a massive problem to people of Delhi and NCR. Now it is water pollution that is going to cause a problem to the devotees who will be performing Chhat Puja in this dirty river. Ma'am, हम आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, आप इतनी मतलब इस रिवर में नहाते हो, होली डिप लेते हो आप अपनी, आपको क्या आप सरकार से क्या बोलना चाहोगे कि इतनी गंदी रिवर में? कुछ बोलना है आपको?
अभी कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी। एक श्रद्धा सुमन होती है जो हम अगर गंगाजल मान रहे हैं इनको, तो ये गंगा है हमारे लिए, माँ है, बस
अगर
इतना।
सरकार कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव दे दे या फिर इसमें सफाई करवा दे,
तो सरकार को तो ये जानते हैं, ये सब चीज़ जानने के बाद अगर नहीं करवाते हैं, हमारे त्योहार बेकार जा रहे हैं। ये तो नहीं है कि हमारी हर साल की त्योहार है, ये है कि नहीं? तो कम से कम अपने पहले ही करना चाहिए इंतजाम। आप जब हमारे त्योहार आएंगे, आज जब आप सफाई नहीं करवाओगे, आप कुछ नहीं करवाओगे, तो पब्लिक तो जो है जिनकी जो जहाँ श्रद्धा है वहाँ जाएंगी, करेंगी, कैसे भी कर रही हैं। है कि नहीं? परेशानी उठा के जैसे भी कर रही हैं। अब ये जिम्मेदारी तो उनकी है, सरकार की बनती है।
So clearly, Swati, the devotees have no other option. They are saying we don't have an alternative to this problem. They're also saying that it's not like government doesn't know that we have to perform this particular puja this year of the season. They all know that there is a 4-day festival that takes place. This is a problem that was highlighted and it had made global headlines in 2019 also, when images had gone viral of foam being formulated
In
on the
fact,
banks of
Kangana, the DDMA has not given permission to set up sites at the bank of River Yamuna. But if not here, then where? Where are people supposed to go? If you allowed them to celebrate Chhath Puja, you should have made some arrangements for them. Have any such arrangements been made in the national capital?
Not as of now, Swati. As you can clearly see what the devotees are also saying, that there's no alternative that has been made for them to perform this puja or take a holy dip. You can see the kind of foam. It's throughout the Yamuna River. This is the Kalandi Kunj area, and this is the only spot in Kalandi Kunj area where they can come and walk down to this spot from the main road, and there is no other alternative. There are clear visuals of women taking a holy dip to celebrate Chhath Puja in this toxic foam of water, and this is their faith that they have to do. They have seen Yamuna River as Ganga and as in its pure form, but clearly this is not in its pure form. You can see the toxic layer going till the end of the river. So clearly there is no alternative that has been made by the Delhi government. Even when the Delhi government has announced 10th of November as a massive Chhath Puja festival and has declared a public holiday on that day, but that arrangement has been made, but no arrangement for them to celebrate this puja in clean and fresh water. There are buffaloes that are there in this water taking a dip. So that's the kind of alternative that they have. There is no other way. There is no other place for them to go.
Right.
And
Kangana,
this is a situation.
stay on with us. We're getting some breaking inputs now. This has led to a political war of words. Now the JDU has jumped into the controversy, and the JDU says allow Chhath Puja at Yamuna Ghats. JDU has slammed the decision of not allowing Chhath Puja on the banks of Yamuna River and has urged the LG and the Chief Minister to allow Puja on the Ghats of Yamuna, despite these visuals of toxic foam floating on the Yamuna River. Let's listen into this reaction coming in from the national spokesperson of JDU.
आस्था के पर्व छठ पूजा को यमुना के घाटों पर विधिवत रूप से न मनाने देने पूर्वांचलियों के रीति रिवाज पर गहरा हमला है। मैं आदरणीय उपराज्यपाल एवं दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री जी से आग्रह करता हूं कि पूर्वांचलियों को रीति रिवाज के साथ यमुना के घाटों पर छठ मनाने का अनुमति प्रदान करें। निश्चित रूप से कोरोना के नियमों का पालन भी होगा और लोग अपने आस्था के साथ जो है छठ पर भी मनाने का काम करेंगे।
Let's go back to Kangana, who continues to be with us. Kangana, show those visuals once again to our viewers. The JDU national spokesperson is saying that permission should be given, although people already are there at the Yamuna River, and we can see them taking a dip surrounded by the toxic foam floating on the river. Politics continues, Kangana. JDU spokesperson says allow people to go and take a dip there, allow them to celebrate.
So, Swati, let me just also tell you, if I can ask my video journalist Amil to show you the visuals once again. This is the festival that is mainly celebrated by people of East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So clearly, they have no other alternatives. There is no permission which was given earlier. It's a 4-day festival where they have to perform this holy dip and this puja at the banks of Yamuna River. And as you can clearly see, there is a huge foam of toxic foam which is floating in the river. It is because of the high levels of ammonia and also because of the high level of phosphate in the river. But still, we are waiting for a clear statement from the Delhi government or from the Environment Minister of Delhi, at least Gopal Rai, to speak on this issue. But that what is causing such high rise of levels of ammonia and phosphate in the river, which is causing this foam floating in the river. Now, when it comes to war of words, earlier also we saw regarding air pollution levels also, when the air quality index was deteriorating in the national capital, there starts a political war between political parties, especially in the Delhi NCR region, where Delhi government was blaming Haryana and Punjab for stubble burning, and BJP was blaming Delhi Aam Aadmi Party. But here also, when we are talking about water pollution, again a war of words between political parties have started. But it is the Aam Aadmi, it is these devotees, these ladies who are going to suffer from the toxic levels of pollution while they take a dip in this holy river. So leave the war of words behind, but we have to look at the fact that it is the Aam Aadmi who always suffers because of these problems. The political parties are here for a war, for a blame game, but it's the Aam Aadmi that is going to deal with this kind of water pollution and air pollution living in Delhi and NCR region.
Absolutely. Kangana, stay on with us. Let's also listen to some reactions coming in and a ground report by Karishma.
The toxic air in Delhi has made it very, very difficult for the common citizens of the national capital to breathe clean air, fresh air, which is a fundamental right, seems to be taken away from the citizens of Delhi. And we are currently reporting from the Lok Nayak Hospital in New Delhi. You can see here, this is the OPD, and many people here have come, to get their diseases treated. One person over here also facing problems due to the rising pollution in Delhi. We will try and speak to him and understand from him. Sir, आप अभी हमें बता रहे थे कि ये जो दिल्ली के हालात इस वक्त चल रहे हैं, उस वजह से आपको काफी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है।
दिक्कत तो ये है, ये आंखों में जलन होती है, कभी-कभी गला भी भारी पड़ जाता है, छाती और गले भारी पड़ जाती है, आंखों में ज्यादा जलन होती है, जैसे मेरे चुरस से डल जाए ऐसे होती है।
So there you saw, this person saying that his eyes begin to burn, and there is infection in the throat as well. So these are the kind of problems that the citizens of Delhi are facing due to the rising levels of pollution, which are resulting in various respiratory problems for the common citizens. We are here at the Lok Nayak Hospital, where people are coming in to get, medicines to get their problems treated. Some of them arising from this rising levels of pollution in New Delhi.
While assurances are still being given, there is no solution in sight to this toxicity that is being witnessed in the national capital region. Thank you very much, Kangana, for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. For now, a quick break.